What's up, everybody? Welcome to Math with Cowboy J. Today is prime numbers. Today is prime numbers part 2. I'm Mr. J, teaching you math the easy way. Let's get back into it. Quick review. Again, we find prime numbers. A prime number is a number. Prime number is a number that can only be created by multiplying itself and 1. Remember things you should know. 1 is not a prime or composite number. 2 is the only even number that is a prime number. All odd numbers are not prime numbers, and your odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 when these numbers are in the ones place or the first number from right to left. Even numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Once again, the number that if it's in the ones place from right to left, that number's even. Let's get into it. Those who were with me yesterday, you guys did a wonderful job. I hope I got my same group with me and some new people with me as we finished up our prime numbers through 100. So we left off with 40. So now we're going to go 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Remember our odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7. And our even numbers. 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So as you remember, again, if these are in the ones place, we take them out. So can anybody start me off? All right, must be somebody from yesterday. 50, that is correct. 52, 54, 56, 58, even numbers. And somebody said 55. Remember, any number with a 5 in the ones place or 0 in the ones place, share as 5. So we're left with 51, 53, 57, and 59. Let's do our trick for 3. 5 plus 1 is 6. Is there anything times 3 that will give us 6? If you said 3 times 2, you will be correct, which means we can cross that out. Add these 2 up. That gives us 8. Anything times 3 that would give us 8? No. Anything times 7 that would give us 8? No. So 53. 57. That's 12. Any number times 3 that would give us 12. If you said 3 times 4, you would be correct, which means we can cross out 57. 14, anything times 3, it was 14. Nope. Now I know what you're saying. Usually try 7. And if anything times 7, that would give us 59. Not 14. Anything times 7 would give us 59. And the answer here is no. So we're going to go with 59. So our prime numbers here are 53 and 59. Let's go to our next group. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. All right, somebody shout out. I heard 60, 62, 64, 66, good job. 68, I'm good. Well, somebody say 65. Got with that 5 again. Great job. So we're left with what? 61, 63, 67, and 69. Let's go to our trick. 6 plus 1 is 7. Nothing times 3 gives us 7. And nothing times 7 gives us 61. So we're going to, boom, circle 61. 63. Let's add that up. What do we get? 9. Is there anything times 9 any number times 3, sorry about that, that would give us 9. 3 times 3, so you would be correct, which means we can cross it out. Right here, we got 13. Any number times 3 that give us 13. And 7 times any number gives us 67. You would be correct. There is no number. And right here, 6 plus 9 is 15. Is there any number times 3 that'll give us 15? You are correct. 3 times 5 gives us 15. So we can cross out. So the numbers we have circled are 61 and 67. You guys are doing a great job. Let's go. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. All right, Jen, what we got going on? Who got me? I heard you 70, 72. I'm hearing y'all 74, 76, and 78. I'm all good. What? 75. Sometimes I be forgetting. Thank you, guys, because of that 5. Cool. So we're left with 71, 73. Stop. That is correct. 77. Remember we said all double numbers share what? 11. That is correct. Boom. So we can take out 77. Good job. Thank you for remembering. I had forgot. This is a great class. So I'm going to add this up. Any number times 3 that'll give us 8. That would be correct. No. Any number times 7 that would give us 71. No. So we would be correct twice. So that's going to be 0. I mean, it's going to be a circle. Add them up. Any number times 3 that'll give us 10. No. Any number times 7 that'll give us 73. No. So we're going to put it inside of the circle. If the answer is no, it gets a circle. And we're going to add these up. You get 16. Any number times 3 that'll give us 16. Any number times 7 that'll give us 79. Since both answers are no, 79 gets a circle. So we got 71, 73, and 79. All right, you guys are jamming. You guys are jamming. You guys are jamming. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. I'm sorry on my last video I forgot to sign off, but I'll sign off on this one because you guys are doing such a great job. So who got me? 80, that's correct. 82, 84, 86, 88. I know, right? That 5, 85. All right, so who we left with? 81, 83, 87, 89. Let's add those two up. What do we get? 8 plus 1 is 9. Is there any number times 3 that will give us 9? That is correct. So if you said 3 times 3, that gives us 9. We can cross out 81. Let's add these up. 11. Any number times 3, that's 11. Any number times 7, that's 83. Since both answers are no, 83 gets a circle. 87. 15. Is there any number times 3 that'll give us 15? If you said 3 times 5, you will be correct. Which means that we don't even have to know the second number, but we know it shares 3. That's good enough for me. Last one here is 17. 3 times nothing. And 7 times nothing. So since both answers are no, 89 gets a circle. So we're going to go 83, and 89. Let's finish up with 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. We're going to add 100 just for the fun. So let's get into it. You guys have been doing great. Here we go. Who got it? 0. Yeah. I said 2. Yeah. I said 4. Yeah. I said 6. Yeah. I said 8. Yeah. What could be great? Oh, 95 because of the 5. Which one did I miss? 99. Remember, all double numbers share what? If you said 11, you handle it. Oh, we got a 0 here, so that takes out 100. So we're left with what? 91, 93, and 97. Let's add these up. That's 10, my friend. Nothing times 3 gives me 10. And this is a tricky one, so I'm gonna help you out. So 7 times 13 is 91. It's not one of those, not ones you know off the top of your head. It's like a divisional problem. But since you guys have been doing so great, I'm going to tell you that it is. So we're going to figure that, we'll wipe that on out. That's a tricky one. I'm going to go here. 9 plus 3 is 12. And we already know from previous problems, like right here, we know that it's 3 times 4. We ain't got to think about it no more. So we know 93 can't be a prime number. 97. We got that 16. Let's think about it. Let's think about it. 3 times 5 is 15, so it can't be 16. And nothing times 7 gives us what? 97. So we're going to go ahead and cross that out, which means we're left with, who got a circle? Oh, sorry. 2 no's, so 97 was the one to get the circle, so I messed that up. Sorry about that. See, teachers make mistakes too. And I'm not just doing this for fun. I've been teaching for over 30 years. So there we go. There go our prime numbers. And remember my saying, I'm prime time, I'm one of a kind. You said, I'm prime time, I'm one of a kind. This has been Mad with Mr. Cowboy J. Enjoy your day. Keep learning.